Meaning of fatty acid.
Fatty acid.
Fatty acid.
Fatty acid.
Fatty acid. Fatty acids are organic compounds that serve as important building blocks for lipids, which are essential components of cell membranes and energy storage molecules in the body. These molecules consist of a hydrocarbon chain attached to a carboxyl group, which makes them both hydrophobic and acidic. Fatty acids can be either saturated or unsaturated, depending on the presence or absence of double bonds in their carbon chains. While some fatty acids are produced by the body itself, others must be obtained from the diet. They play important roles in many physiological processes, including metabolism, inflammation, and brain function.